If you're looking to optimize your Asana portfolios, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll cover how to streamline your workflow and make managing your tasks and projects smoother than ever. Stick around till the end, as we'll also reveal an exclusive offer that will let you try Asana for free with some bonus perks. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do when optimizing your Asana portfolios is to ensure your projects are organized into portfolios. This helps keep everything in one place, so you can quickly see what's active, what's coming up, and what needs attention. To create a portfolio, simply go to the Portfolio tab in Asana, click Create Portfolio, and name it. You can then add your projects for a clear view of all your key initiatives. Next thing, make sure you're using Asana's custom fields. These are incredibly useful for tracking metrics specific to your projects. For example, you can track project status, budgets, or deadlines within your portfolio. Custom fields can be added by selecting the portfolio and clicking on Customize. You can create different fields based on what you need to monitor, making it easier to track progress and make data-driven decisions. The third thing is to use Asana's timeline view. This visual tool is essential for mapping out the entire lifespan of your projects in a portfolio. By viewing your projects on a timeline, you can quickly spot potential scheduling conflicts and ensure all tasks are aligned properly. It's a great way to visualize deadlines and dependencies, so you're always one step ahead. Next, let's talk about using Asana's advanced search and reporting features. This is particularly useful when you're managing multiple projects within a portfolio. You can filter by due dates, assignees, and custom fields to find exactly what you need. For instance, if you need to check on overdue tasks across multiple projects, just use the search function and Asana will pull up a complete list. This saves you time and keeps things moving efficiently. The fifth thing is collaborating with your team through Asana's comment section and file attachments. It's crucial to keep everyone in the loop within your portfolios, and Asana makes it easy. You can leave comments, share files, and tag team members directly in your portfolio tasks. This keeps communication clear and ensures everything is documented in one place. Lastly, automation. Asana allows you to set up automation roles within your portfolios. For example, you can create a rule to automatically move tasks to the next stage once they're marked complete or send reminders to team members if a deadline is approaching. Automating these repetitive tasks frees up time, so you can focus on high-priority work. By now, you should have a good idea of how to optimize your Asana portfolios. But before you go, remember that you can try Asana completely free with our exclusive extended trial. Just click the first link in the description to get started and enjoy the bonuses available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the link below to get started with Asana and enjoy your free trial.